Automation and artificial intelligence are terms that both get thrown around a lot. They're similar and they're connected, but they aren't exactly the same thing. So by automation, we're referring to the use of more machinery, more automatic processes, more tools, more robots even, in a particular stage of the production process. And if it was a factory, say, and instead of having a lot of workers using hand tools to produce a product, a widget, at the end of the assembly line, now you've got more machines doing the work, more robots, and less direct workers there. So at that stage of production, it means you're using more machinery and less direct labor. That's what we mean by automation. Very important to remember, that doesn't mean the workers aren't there. There are still obviously some workers at that factory, but more importantly, there's a bunch of workers who did all the work that went into engineering and developing, manufacturing, installing, maintaining all of that automated equipment. So it doesn't mean that workers disappear, but it does mean that more of the work is done ahead of time at various indirect stages of production, and less work hired right there and then in the plant to do the final direct work. That's what we mean by automation. Artificial intelligence can support automation, but it's referring more to some of the computer codes and algorithms that are designed in order to control some of those automated machines and computers and robots. And in fact, artificial intelligence can be used in all kinds of other settings as well, not just in automated production. It's also used in communications, it's used in research, it's used in data analysis, it's even used on our smartphones when Facebook decides what program or what advertisement they want to send your way. It's usually on the basis of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence just means computer codes that learn by doing. You haven't just ascribed a set of instructions as in a traditional computer program that tells the computer exactly what to do and when. You've more created some flexibility and ability for the computer itself to learn from past experience, to learn from the flow of information that it's gathering, and then to adjust its actions accordingly. The two can interact if a company is using artificial intelligence programming as a way of controlling automated machinery in a more flexible and adaptive way in different workplaces. And we've seen this with the whole so-called Internet of Things or Industry 4.0. Those are some of the terms thrown around for a very highly automated factory where different aspects of the automated production communicate with each other digitally, and they take advantage of artificial intelligence capacities to learn from their own mistakes and learn how to make the work more efficient. So that's how the two go together, but are actually separate concepts.